This will be a short video on how to create a newsletter. From the dashboard, go into MailPoet. From here, there will be existing newsletters that you can duplicate. From the option, there is a duplicate option. Clicking this will create a new one. From here, then, you can edit the new newsletter. Once it's fully loaded, you can change the text, the images, and everything else on the newsletter. For the minute, let's change the actual image that's on here. To do this, click on the Images tab, click on Add Images, click on the Select Files option, and choose an image that you have. I will just choose something at random here. It will give me the spinny animation, and once it's complete, it will go away. So for the time being, just wait. Now that it's complete, I will close the window and I see my image being uploaded. Now I can grab this image by clicking and dragging it over the image that I want to replace it with. And then I let go. I'll put it back to the original image again. And in here, I can change the text by clicking on the area and start typing immediately. Once I'm done editing, I can add the MailPoet Smart News to the section by clicking and dragging the WordPress post under an area and then letting go. This will load in the options. If it's not loading in the Smart News options, simply click on the drop down here, scroll down until you see Smart News and select it from the drop down. From here, just simply tick the Smart News that you wish to display for this edition and click on the Insert selected. Now you will see it in here. To test out the email before sending it off, simply put in your email address here and click on the Send Preview button. This will send off a test email to you before you actually send it through to anybody on the list. Once you're happy with it, follow on through onto the next step. Give the new newsletter a name. You can choose which lists you want to send the new newsletter to, and give the Google Analytics campaign simply replacing the new month. And after this, you can click on the Send button to send off the new newsletter. That's it.